What's all the buzz about? Why is everyone suddenly obsessed with lips that look like they've just stepped out of a dream? It's the Juicy Lips alert, the hottest beauty signal of 2025, and it's taking over social feeds, runways, and makeup bags everywhere. This trend is all about lips that are shiny, full, and plump, like they've been dipped in jelly or glazed with a magical potion. Forget subtle shine. This is next-level gloss that makes your lips the star of the show, catching every glimmer of light and attention in the room. Imagine giving your lips a 3D effect, fuller, rounder, and more expressive, just like a clay character's smile. It's playful, bold, and totally unforgettable. Special glosses create a movie magic look, hydrated, healthy, and impossible to ignore. Your lips look like they're glowing from within. Gone are the days of flat, matte lips. Now it's all about dimension, depth, and a wet look finish that feels fresh and modern. After years of serious matties, people are craving something playful and joyful. Glossy lips bring a sense of fun and lightness to your look. A swipe of 3D gloss instantly boosts your look and mood, making you feel ready to take on anything with a smile. The best part? This trend works for everyone, no matter your lip shape or style. It's inclusive, universal, and easy to try. It's about enhancing what you have, adding a sparkly, confident polish to your smile. You don't need to change your lips, just let them shine. 3D lip gloss is the final, brilliant touch that makes your look shine, turning every day into a little celebration of color and light. What does the 3D lip gloss actually look like? Imagine a finish so luminous it almost looks surreal, like your lips have been dipped in liquid glass. Think of the glossiest red apple, smooth, round, and gleaming. That's the kind of shine we're talking about. A surface so reflective, it catches every glimmer of light in the room. That's the effect on your lips, a high shine, mirror-like finish that makes lips look instantly fuller, more curved, and irresistibly plush. The transformation from matte to glossy is dramatic, almost sculptural. The secret is in the formula. These glosses build up a cushioned, pillowy effect, smoothing out lines for a juicy, wet look. Each swipe adds a layer of hydration, making your lips feel as good as they look. It's a look of health and youthful energy, brightening your whole face. The gloss acts almost like a highlighter for your lips, drawing attention and radiance. Unlike old, sticky glosses, today's versions are comfortable and nourishing, more like a balm than glue. You can wear them all day without that heavy, tacky feeling. You get all the glamour, none of the hassle. Application is effortless, and the result is always flawless. The magic is in the dimension. Fine shimmers and pearlescent particles catch the light, adding depth and multi-tonal shine. Every movement reveals a new facet, a new sparkle. It's like painting with layers of color for highlights and shadows, but on your lips. Each layer builds intensity and drama, creating a truly artistic effect. The result? A sculpted, voluminous pout that captivates from every angle. Your lips become a focal point, drawing eyes and compliments. It's a tiny work of art in a tube, ready to transform your look in seconds. 3D gloss is all about comfort, shine, and a show-stopping finish. It's the ultimate accessory for any occasion, from everyday wear to special nights out. No more sticky mess, just pure, wearable glamour. You can finally enjoy gloss without compromise. With 3D gloss, your lips become the masterpiece, plump, shiny, and truly unforgettable. Let's talk formulas. Today's 3D glosses are nothing like the thick, goopy ones of the past. They're lightweight, slick, and glide on like a luxurious oil or serum. The real breakthrough? A non-sticky finish, no more hair stuck to your lips. Scientists have created glass-like shine with polymers that feel comfortable all day. Many glosses are hybrids, part makeup, part skincare, packed with nourishing ingredients. While you enjoy a plump, shiny pout, your lips are being moisturized and protected. Even the packaging is smarter. New applicators make for easy, mess-free swipes. Clicker pens and doe-foot wands deliver the perfect coat every time. Every detail is designed for pure delight, from the feel to the finish. It's practical, fabulous, and effortless. Gloss has never been this good. Every trend has its stars, and 3D lip gloss is no different. NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plump is a fan favorite, with dramatic plumping and a rainbow of shades. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme is a classic, famous for its Bratz doll fullness and fiery tingle. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat by Rihanna offers a juicy, natural plump with a sweet scent. Other brands like Kiko Milano, Maybelline, and Charlotte Tilbury have joined the party with their own unique formulas. Each gloss has its own personality: fiery, cooling, shimmery, or clear. The fun is in finding your perfect match. It's a cast of characters for your lips. One of the most exciting parts of plumping glosses is the sensation, tingle, heat, or coolness. It's not a side effect, it's part of the fun. The tingle signals the magic is happening. Some glosses, like NYX Duck Plump, deliver a spicy, chili-like heat, while others are more subtle. The heat comes from ingredients that gently irritate lips, causing a temporary plump. Not a fan of spice? Cooling glosses use menthol for a minty, refreshing feel. There's a gloss for every preference, hot or cool. The sensory experience makes applying gloss interactive and fun. It's a mini event in your beauty routine, adding anticipation and excitement. The buzz on your lips is a playful reminder of your transformation. It's self-care with a twist. Who doesn't love a harmless tingle? What's the secret behind 3D glosses? It's clever science in a tube. Hyaluronic acid is a hero ingredient, drawing moisture for instant fullness and hydration. For that tingle, many glosses use natural extracts like chili or Sichuan pepper to boost blood flow and plump lips. Cooling glosses rely on menthol or peppermint for a fresh, gentle plump. These effects are safe, temporary, and customizable for sensitive skin. But it's not just about plumping. These glosses are packed with nourishing oils and butters. Jojoba, avocado, and shea butter moisturize, while vitamin E protects delicate skin. Your lips get a deep conditioning treatment while looking fabulous. It's beauty and care in one swipe. The result? Healthy, hydrated, irresistible lips. Science never looked so good. How does a lip gloss become a global sensation? Social media is the engine. One video on TikTok or Instagram can launch a trend overnight. People see the shine, the plump effect, and want to try it themselves. Celebrities like Hailey Bieber and Rihanna fuel the craze by sharing their glossy secrets. Fenty Beauty's viral launches turn products into must-haves. Videos capture the gloss's dimension and shine in motion, far more convincing than photos. Real-life reviews and before and afters build trust and excitement. The viral loop keeps growing. Try, share, repeat. Gloss becomes a shared experience, connecting people everywhere. That's how a simple tube of gloss takes over the world. The glossy trend isn't just for lips, it's hit our nails too. Lip gloss nails mimic the sheer, shiny, healthy look of 3D lips. Think milky pink polish topped with a latex-like shine for a clean, chic effect. Popularized by stars like Keke Palmer, it's the next step after glazed donut nails, minus the shimmer. Lip gloss nails are versatile, like the plain white tee of manicures, perfect for any outfit or occasion. Short to medium almond shapes keep the look elegant and effortless. Brands like Chanel, Essie, and Deborah Lippmann offer the perfect sheer pink bases and ultra-glossy top coats. It's a simple idea that sparked a whole new world of creative fun. Why has the 3D glossy look captured our hearts in 2025? It's not just about the shine, it's about the feeling it brings. This trend has become a symbol of self-expression and joy, a way to instantly brighten your day and your mood. It's about fun, confidence, and a touch of magic. Each swipe of gloss is like a little celebration, a reminder that beauty can be playful and uplifting. In a complicated world, a swipe of gloss brings instant brightness and joy. It's a simple ritual that can transform your whole outlook, making even the most ordinary moments feel special. It's an easy way to express yourself and add glamour without hiding who you are. Gloss lets your personality shine through, whether you're bold or subtle. Comfort is key. Today's glosses are hydrating, nourishing, and non-sticky. They care for your lips while making them look amazing, so you never have to choose between style and comfort. You get high-impact shine with zero drawbacks. No more sticky mess, just smooth, luscious lips that feel as good as they look. The trend is playful, tingles, sweet scents, endless colors, encouraging experimentation. There's a gloss for every mood, every outfit, and every personality. Makeup becomes a source of delight, not a chore. It's a moment to enjoy yourself, to play, and to feel good in your own skin. Every gloss choice is a small act of self-care. Taking a moment for yourself, even just to add a little shine, can be a powerful way to boost your mood. Ultimately, 3D gloss is about confidence, a bold, eye-catching pout that says you're happy to be seen. It's about owning your look and feeling proud of it. It enhances your smile, connecting you to others. A glossy grin is contagious, spreading positivity wherever you go. From lips to nails, the look is healthy, hydrated, and full of life. It's a celebration of vibrancy and well-being, inside and out. It's optimistic, cheerful, and empowering. Gloss is more than a trend. It's a statement of joy and self-love. What's better than a trend that makes you feel ready to face the world with a gleaming smile? Not much. With every swipe, you're not just adding shine, you're adding a little more happiness to your day.